Alright lads, how's it going? So, lime mortar, we're repointing this chimney in lime mortar. The finish on this particular job is a flush joint. So this is how I do the flush jointing. It's not the right way, it's my way. I've had a lot of people making comments. We've done 2 or 3 videos on this. Making comments, oh, they don't know what they're talking about. I can tell they don't know what they're talking about by the things they've said. For instance, what I'm doing now, putting in, they think that was the finish and they said that looks crap. So you come around this. So the stages are, first stage, I've wet the joints with my spray bottle. Now, it's called the putting in stage. Why do I do beds first? You should do perps first. No, you shouldn't. You should do what you like. On this particular joint, it doesn't matter. I put the bed joints in first because I think it makes putting the perp joints in quicker and easier because they stay in there because they've already got the pug there holding it, the lime there holding it. So we put the beds in like that, and then the perps, I do it gloved hand, there's no lime burns. I'm pushing, you push it in tight. You keep pushing it in tight until all these here in this section are flush. Stage 2, sticking. It's just what I call it. We've put it in, as you saw. Now, we're just, with a stick, this is a piece of oak batten that's worn into that shape. I haven't cut it, it's just worn down there. So you're scratching this now, you're putting in, if it's a little bit low, you can top it up as you go. So this is helping compact it, and it's flushing it. You go down. Again, do whichever one you want first, perps, beds, doesn't matter. Because it still isn't the finish even after this stage. So, that is what we call sticking. Stage 3, churn brush, spanking. We spank it. This again is helping compact it, and it's taking the top of the lime off, and what it's doing, it's exposing the aggregate in the mix, because that's how this was always traditionally done. This is how they do flush jointing. They've been doing this for donkey's years. So it's taking it off the edges of the brick, and you can see the stones coming through. And spanking. Stage 4, brushing off. Same brush, churn brush. Then we're just getting any loose bits off, and it's helping polishing the stone. Polish the stone up. And then, once we've done the brushing off and we're happy with how it looks, that's how I flush joint. Okay, so there's those 4 stages, and then that's done. So all those guys that jumped on the thing after just seeing one stage thinking it looks crap, you need to see the finished product, and that is the finished product. Flush pointing, plug up.